BJP that has now filed a complaint against Mamata Banerjee for her no NRC, no CAA, no UCC at an Eid event. The BJP has written to the Election Commission of India saying Mamata Banerjee has violated the MCC by making political comments at a religious event. This is the BJP moving the Election Commission of India. A written complaint has been sent by the BJP to the ECI saying that Mamata Banerjee is now making political statements at a religious event. Let's listen into what Mamata Banerjee had said.
इससे पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है আমার রজা কি আমার ইচ্ছে সর্বধর্ম সমন্বয় আমার ইচ্ছে আপনাদের নিরাপত্তা আপনাদের জীবন নো এনআরসি নো ক্যা নো ইউনিফর্ম সিভিল কোড সব মানুষের অধিকার তার নিজস্ব অধিকারের মতো থাকবে আর আমার সাথে লড়তে গেলে জেনে রেখো তুমি আমাকে জেলে পুরে দিতে পারো তুমি আমার গলা কেটে দিতে পারো কিন্তু আমি একটা বিশ্বাস করি मुद्दा लाख बुरा चाहे तो क्या होता है वही होता है जो मंजूर खुदा होता है
My colleague Suryagini is now joining me on the story. Suryagini, we are now seeing a statement, a rather political statement being made by Mamata Banerjee, speaking that in West Bengal they'll make sure that there is no UCC. And with regards to this, the BJP has now moved the Election Commission.
Well, absolutely. After the statement at the Eid event where Mamata Banerjee had participated, where she stated that she won't let CAA, NRC and the UCC happen in the state, the BJP has written to the Election Commission. The BJP claims that it's a violation of the MCC, the Model Code of Conduct, making a political statement at a religious place. So this is what the BJP has, complained against Mamata Banerjee, and now it has to be seen what the Election Commission does. Back to you.
Thank you, Suryagini, for giving us all those details. BJP moving the Election Commission against Mamata Banerjee.